Yes, sir, Rastafari. Okay, now I'm going to talk about an important concept in the Caribbean called respect, right? Also respect, right? So yeah, as Americans would say, respect. There we go. Okay, heavy the thing, right? Respect. So they catch this perfectly in the Volkswagen commercial, right? When Mr. Minnesota man say, respect boss man, right? Respect. And in a nutshell, that's what people up here love that, right? People up stateside love that because it catch everything in what? Two words, respect boss man. No, respect, three words. Respect boss man. Catch the whole thing, right? You know, and you kind of catch the meaning when you watch the commercial respect boss man. But in the Caribbean, man, it'd be a whole next level, right? If you watch me other video about hold it down, I kind of intro a little bit about respect, right? That's why we hold it down. But here be the thing. Respect is kind of a true and true concept all throughout the Caribbean. All throughout, right? Meaning, you gotta kind of respect the parents, respect the government, respect everything, right? The establishment, whatever going on. Respect your wife, respect your girlfriend. There'd be a whole lot of disrespect going on in the Caribbean too. Well, every place. Caribbean ain't no specific to that. But respect, they talk about a lot, especially the Rastas talk about respect, right? And it's kind of, you gotta kind of respect the environment. Here would be a good example, right? Well, a sort of good example. Respect the environment so you don't pollute it, man. You know? Respect your city so you don't drop trash in the street, right? Respect your mother so if you feel real drunk, right, because you've been partying all night, you call her, you have your friend call her and say, I crashed at my friend's house so she don't have to see you in that state, right? Respect everything. Everything you respect. You respect the birds, the wind, the air, the five elements of the world. Respect a library book, right? You return the library book, you don't break it up when you hold it, you know, you hold that library book, you treat it with respect. Simple things and big things too, right? So that'd be the main purpose of the word respect. Not that it's always done, because that'd be a next thing altogether now, right? Next thing. So that kind of the meaning in a nutshell, what respect mean in the Caribbean. But it kind of go deeper roots than that. Deep roots, right? That I can't really explain straight out like this. So watch, maybe in the next video I explain it out, but you never know. Later. Keep it safe.